Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Features also include keyless entry, premium sound system, rear view camera, MP3, hands-free Bluetooth integration. Stop by and take a look at the 2016 Camaro. Camaro was developed to be 21st century on every level, from its awe-inspiring design to its outstanding performance to its impressive efficiency. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, remote trunk release, mirror memory, cruise control, power door locks, power windows, power steering. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.